Hey everyone! If you've ever found yourself stuck in a tricky situation, whether it's mud, snow, or even a ditch, you know how important it is to have a reliable tow rope. But not just any rope will do. You need one that's durable, strong, and capable of getting you out of a jam without snapping or causing damage. Product 1 Bubba Rope Power Stretch Recovery Rope. First up, let's talk about the Bubba Rope Power Stretch Recovery Rope. If you're into off-roading or just need something heavy-duty, this rope is a total game changer. With a brake strength of 28,600 lbs and a 30% stretch, it gives your vehicle that extra boost to get out of tough spots. Plus, it's UV, water, and abrasion resistant, so it's built to last in all kinds of weather. Whether you're stuck in sand or mud, this rope is your go-to for serious recovery. Product 2 Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. Next, we have the Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Tow Rope. This is perfect for the adventurer who's always off-road. With an incredible brake strength of 31,518 lbs, this rope can handle even the heaviest trucks or SUVs. It's designed for controlled stretch, so you get a smooth pull without jerking. And bonus, it comes with D-ring shackles, and Rhino USA backs it with a lifetime warranty. How's that for peace of mind? Product 3 WeatherTech Kinetic Recovery Rope System. Moving on to the WeatherTech Kinetic Recovery Rope System. This one's designed for mid-size vehicles with a brake strength of 28,330 lbs. What makes this rope stand out is its buoyancy. Yes, it floats. So, if you're pulling your vehicle out of water or across a flooded area, it won't sink. Plus, it's resistant to freezing, which is essential if you're out in the cold weather. Talk about smart design for all conditions. Product 4 AA40 Heavy Duty Tow Rope Kit. If you're just looking for something that works for everyday road recovery, the AA40 Heavy Duty Tow Rope Kit is perfect. It's built to handle up to 8,800 lbs, and it meets industry standards for safety. The elasticized design helps minimize jerks when pulling, which means less stress on both vehicles. The best part? It's super affordable. So if you're on a budget but need a reliable option, this is the rope for you. Product 5 Keeper 16 Emergency Tow Rope. Last but definitely not least, we have the Keeper 16's Emergency Tow Rope. This compact rope is perfect for small to mid-size vehicles with a brake strength of 8,700 lbs. It's simple but effective, with forged steel hooks and a braided polypropylene design that's resistant to rot and mildew. If you're looking for a no-fuss, reliable option for basic car recovery, this rope should definitely be in your trunk. Let's quickly break it down. Whether you're off-roading or just driving around town, there's a tow rope for every need. For heavy-duty off-road recovery, Bubba Rope and Rhino USA are top choices. If you're dealing with water or cold conditions, go for the WeatherTech rope. For everyday road recovery, AA40 and Keeper offer great options for standard vehicles. And the best part? All of these ropes are designed to get you out of tough spots safely. So there you have it, the top 5 tow ropes for emergency vehicle recovery. Whether you're stuck in the mud, snow, or just need a reliable rope for everyday use, one of these will surely have you covered. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more info on each product. And remember, always be prepared. Because when it comes to vehicle recovery, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and gear reviews. Stay safe and happy driving.